Hello friends, today we are going to discuss how can we add a particular column in the table, and how can we alter the column, and how can we drop a particular column from the table. So let's begin to understand how can we add the new column in the particular table. There we have a table, employee table, just you can see in the dev database, and just we want to add the one department column in this table. So I've already written the query. Here is the query: alter table name emp and add column name and column data type. So I am just execute this statement now. The see what happened. Yeah, statement execute successfully, and you can see one department column added in the table. This is the method how we can manually add the particular column in the table. So now we can now we can learn the how can we alter the particular column in the table. So we can just change the data type of the column, not the name of the column. So the second query is just alter table name and alter column name, and then change the data type of the column. Now we have a department column in the table, and I am just refresh that and just check this. Now now it is a varchar database. So after execute that statement, what happened, just see that I am going to execute. I am change the varchar to nvarchar. So I am going to execute this. Execute successful. I am just refreshing this table. See this is a change. Now we can say the department column data type now is a nvarchar. This is the way we can alter the data type of the column in a particular table. Now in a last, how can we drop that column? So just simple query: alter table name and drop column name. So just see we have a department column, and now I am going to be drop this column from the table. So just execute this statement. So execute successful. Now you can check department column is not there. So I hope you understand how can we can add, alter, and delete the column from the particular table. So thank you for watching this video.